Ayurvedic Medicinal 50 Plants, Identification and Uses, Part 2. We are going to know these. Introduction, Part 2. Ayurveda is one of the world's oldest systems of natural medicine, based on the healing power of plants. In this video, i.e. the second part, we will identify 25 more important Ayurvedic medicinal plants and learn about their traditional uses. These plants have been used for centuries to treat diseases and maintain overall health. Understanding their benefits helps us adopt a natural and healthy lifestyle. 26. Garlic. Garlic supports heart health and immunity. It helps control cholesterol and blood pressure. Garlic also has antibacterial properties. 27. Black pepper. Black pepper improves digestion and metabolism. It helps relieve cold and cough. Black pepper enhances nutrient absorption. 28. Saffron. Saffron improves mood and mental health. It supports skin glow and digestion. Saffron also boosts energy. 29. Nutmeg. Nutmeg helps improve sleep quality. It supports digestion and relieves pain. Nutmeg also reduces stress. 30. Bay leaf. Bay leaf supports digestion and metabolism. It helps control blood sugar levels. This herb also improves heart health. 31. Lemongrass. Lemongrass aids digestion and detoxification. It reduces stress and improves sleep. Lemongrass also boosts immunity. 32. Ashoka tree. Ashoka is beneficial for women's reproductive health. It helps regulate menstrual cycles. Ashoka also reduces inflammation. 33. Vidinga. Vidinga is used to eliminate intestinal worms. It improves digestion and metabolism. Vidinga also supports gut health. 34. Kutki. Kutki is excellent for liver health. It helps detoxify and treat liver disorders. Kutki also supports digestion. 35. Chitrak. Chitrak improves digestive fire in Ayurveda. It helps treat indigestion and gas. This plant also boosts metabolism. 36. Jatamansi. Jatamansi calms the mind and improves sleep. It helps reduce anxiety and stress. Jatamansi also supports brain health. 37. Tagara. Tagara is used to treat insomnia. It promotes relaxation and mental calmness. Tagara also supports nervous system health. 38. Sariva. Sariva purifies blood and improves skin health. It helps reduce inflammation and itching. Sariva also supports digestion. 39. Daruharidra. Daruharidra has antibacterial properties. It helps treat skin and eye infections. This plant also supports liver health. 40. Shankpushpi. Shankpushpi improves memory and intelligence. It calms the nervous system. This herb also reduces mental fatigue. 41. Mustard. Mustard is used for digestive disorders. It helps control diarrhea and fever. Mustard also improves appetite. 42. Pata. Pata helps treat digestive and urinary issues. It reduces inflammation and pain. This herb also supports detoxification. 43. Karanja. Karanja is used for skin diseases. It helps treat fungal infections. Karanja oil is also used externally. 44. Erinda. Castor oil improves digestion and relieves constipation. It reduces joint pain and inflammation. Erinda also supports detoxification. 45. Palash. Palash is used to treat digestive disorders. It helps eliminate intestinal parasites. Palash also supports skin health. 46. Vacha. Vacha improves speech and memory. It helps treat respiratory issues. Vacha also boosts brain function. 47. Shigru. Shigru helps reduce inflammation and pain. It improves digestion and immunity. This plant also supports joint health. 48. Kapikichu. Kapikichu improves strength and vitality. It supports nervous and reproductive health. This herb also boosts stamina. 49. Pushkamul. Pushkamul supports heart and lung health. It helps relieve asthma and cough. This plant also improves circulation. 50. Atavisha. Atavisha is used for fever and digestive issues. It helps treat diarrhea in children. Atavisha also boosts immunity. I am glad to share this experience with you, and I hope it inspires you too. Our educational videos make learning simple and interesting. With useful lessons and good ideas, they help you grow every day. Thank you for watching. For more good videos, please like, share, and subscribe. G. Sobhanadri Rao.